20 communities, 20 tribes are facing dire extinct. They are facing extinction because if all the population, illegal and legal, both the populations are added up, the percentage of host population in Tripura will be about 12-13%. Therefore, in order to save these 20 communities, 20 tribes, Tripuris, all Tripuris, the only alternative solution to this problem is elevation of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council to a full-fledged Tripuran state under Article 3 of the Constitution of India. So, this is one of our demands for which we are holding hunger strike at Salkakami, Boromura, under Jirania police station, nearby National Highway. Secondly, the displaced people coming from Mizoram who are camped at different places in Kanchanpur subdivision in Tripura required to be rehabilitated properly either in Tripura or in Mizoram. They came over to this state in 1997. By now it is 22 years. Till date, this problem has not been solved. Therefore, we urge the central government, the India government, Government of India, or the state governments, namely Government of Tripura and the Government of Mizoram, to rehabilitate them properly forthwith. It cannot remain unresolved for decades. It is more than 2 decades by now, so it should be solved. We urge upon this government to look into it and to solve it immediately. Thirdly, the winter session parliament is going on from yesterday. And the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is being placed before the 2 houses of parliament. And this Citizenship Amendment Bill, if passed, the cut-off date for the illegal migrants to remain in this country will be 31st December 2014. And in case of Tripura, there are a lot of illegal migrants residing in the state by now. And if these illegal migrants population are added to the state population, then the host population, which consists of 20 tribes, 20 communities, will get reduced to microscopic minority. Therefore, the Tipralan State Party oppose passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill and will continue to oppose. Will oppose it by launching movements democratically, and we urge upon the Government of India not to pass the bill. Rather, the bill should be rejected and it should not be passed in any form. And if there is any other alternative to it at all, some other alternative, or the bill should not be enforceable in the northeast states of India, then we have no objection. But so long the bill is enforceable, will be enforceable in the states of northeast India, we will continue to oppose it. Thank you. Sir, please your name.